In today's video, we present how to become a topper student and excel in exams, the top 7 habits of topper students. Friends, are you tired of feeling stressed out by your exams? Do you want to become a topper student and excel in your studies? Well, you are in luck, because in this video, we are going to reveal the top 7 habits of topper students that can help you to achieve academic success. So friends, let us proceed ahead and enjoy this video. Friends, the first habit is set clear and specific goals. Topper students set clear and specific goals for themselves. They know exactly what they want to achieve and create a plan to reach their targets. Friends, the second habit is stay organized. Topper students stay organized by keeping their study materials and notes in order. They use tools like calendars and to-do lists to manage their time effectively. Friends, the third habit is stay focused. Topper students stay focused by minimizing distractions and by applying effective time management techniques. They also take regular breaks to recharge their mind and body. Friends, the fourth habit is practice active learning. Topper students practice active learning by engaging with the material and actively trying to understand and retain the information. In addition to notes, toppers also use flashcards, mind maps, take practice quizzes, etc. Friends, the next habit is take effective notes. Topper students take effective notes by writing down key points and information in their own handwriting. And they also review their notes regularly. Friends, the next habit is seek help when needed. Topper students seek help when needed, whether it's from a teacher, tutor, or their study group. And friends, the seventh habit is stay motivated. Topper students stay motivated by setting rewards for themselves and by regularly reminding themselves of their goals. So friends, always keep saying to yourself, I can do it. Always remain positive. So friends, I hope that you have enjoyed this small video on how to become a topper student and excel in your exams, the top 7 habits of topper students. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will be uploading a new video soon. Friends, in order to watch all my latest videos, do subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button, and do click this bell icon to get notifications whenever I publish a new video.